need to make a broom, a witch's broom. So I found this tree branch, and I'm going to take this saw and I'm going to cut me a handle for my broom. Oh, that was a lot of work. Okay, so I separated the branches. I have that one, and I have this one. What a mess that made. And I'm a little winded. So I think I'm going to try to utilize this one for my broom handle. But I need to get my loppers to cut some more off. So I brought out my big loppers right here, and I've been trimming that tree branch up a little bit. I want it to be nubby and knotty, but I need to trim a little bit more. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, so I trimmed off a little bit more. This is the stick I'm going to use, or the branch. And I like it because it has this bend in it. So this is it. This is going to be my witch broom handle. I love the crook in it right there. I'm going to spray paint it black. I don't want it a solid black. I want a little bit of the brown maybe showing through. And I'm just using this Rust-Oleum black paint. I've had this for a year. Surprised it still comes out. So I can't wait to get my broom done. So I think this is going to make an awesome witch's broom. I love this branch. I love the crooks in it. I love the little nubbies on it. And I love the color. So I had these reeds already. This project cost me absolutely nothing to make. I found the branch. I had the reeds. And it is free. Absolutely free. And what a fun project. So I'm going to take my twine and I'm just going to wrap around the branch with the reeds under it, spread the reeds out, and just tie it in a double knot. And that's what it looks like. Really starting to look like a witch's broom now. So the original twine, or I should say rope, that was around the reeds, I thought I would go ahead and put those on too. So I just glued it right around the reeds on the broom. This came out fantastic. And I have a special vignette for this. And I can't wait to get started on my Halloween. So there's my broom. What do you think? I love it. Thanks for watching.